Faith plus love equals miracle. If you want to experience miracles in your life, then put your trust in the Lord. As we celebrate the Holy Mass on this third day of our novena, there's no such thing as the word malas. Wala po ring salitang buenas. What we can find in the Tagalog Bible, ang salitang mapalad. Lahat po tayo'y mapalad sa sandaling ito, katulad ni Padre Pio, because in spite of and despite the many sins that we have committed, andito pa rin ang Diyos, laging nagmamahal sa atin. Gusto natin ng milagro sa ating buhay. Pero sabi po ni Padre Pio, the greatest miracle in our life is the transformation of our life. The transformation of our soul from being at the state of sin towards to the state of grace. Ang tunay na kagalingan, ang tunay na milagro, ano po yun? Ang pagbabago ng ating buhay. Lord, I am not worthy that you should enter under my roof, but only say the word, and my servant will be healed. Kailangan lang pala ng pananampalataya. Kailangan lang ng pagmamahal. And the only way to follow Christ is the way of the cross. And there will be no other way. Gusto natin ng maraming milagro. Gusto natin maraming himala. Lakihan ang pananampalataya. Lakihan ang pag-ibig.